Today I'm going to give you a couple of information specifically is important for everyone who use turmeric for the joint inflammation and similar kind of condition. There's a couple of problems with the turmeric. I'm going to explain everything, and of course I'm going to give you my personal recommendation for everyone who suffers joint discomfort. For decades, turmeric has been celebrated as a miracle spice for arthritis. People all over the world drink turmeric teas, buy expensive supplements, and hope for the relief from stiff, painful joint. Yet for the most, the result is disappointing. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory properties. The problem is that the human body absorbs curcumin very poorly. Even when combined with the black pepper or fat, only a fraction actually reach the joints. This explains why many people feel little or no relief, even after months of consistent use. However, turmeric can be effective if used correctly. Standardized, highly bioavailable curcumin supplements taken with absorption enhancers allow this compound to reach the tissues where it's needed, providing genuine anti-inflammatory support. And from my experience for working with the patients with joint problems for the last 25 years, I see this probably regularly. Turmeric is perfect, but it must be in the perfect organic form, used with perfect natural enhancer in our body. Usually people don't do this kind of stuff. Usually you buy supplements that is very poor quality and you can not find any kind of joint relief. And that is unbelievably important. Good quality organic turmeric must be just for your health, with enhanced stuff that can help, something like black pepper and similar kind of compound, but it must be very good, high quality. But this is in a low supply in today's modern natural remedy world. Arthritis is not just about inflammation. It's a condition in which cartilage gradually deteriorates, joint fluid decreases, and the muscles surrounding the joint weaken. While turmeric may help reduce some inflammation, it cannot repair cartilage or restore joint mobility. That is why relying on turmeric alone often produces minimal results. To truly improve joint health, it is essential to address underlying structural and functional problems of the joint rather than merely attempting to reduce swelling or the soreness. And through my years, I said it, I work with joint problems for the last 25 years. There are many better natural remedies that can help you. Turmeric is fine, but it must be good quality, but many of them, there's a lot of them that is much better, especially for this cartilage deterioration. A few of them is unbelievably good and help thousands of my patients. Through the years of clinical experience with thousands of patients, I have observed that certain natural ingredients consistently help improve joint function and reduce pain. Glucosamine sulfate supports the repair and maintenance of the cartilage, helping the joint move more freely. Boswellia serrata, a resin derived from Indian frankincense, provides a strong anti-inflammatory effect and protects the joint more effectively than turmeric alone. Type 2 collagen nourishes the joint from within, restoring elasticity and flexibility. When those ingredients are used together, they target the root cause of arthritis, not just its symptoms, leading to more noticeable and lasting improvement. I'll give you my information how I use with my patient perfect natural program that I believe they really can help you with your sick joints. Please listen to me very carefully. Incorporating those ingredients into daily routine is crucial for results. Taking glucosamine sulfate and boswellia in the morning, followed by type 2 collagen in the evening, provides continuous support for joint repair and inflammation control. Gentle daily movement for about 10 to 30 minutes help maintain joint mobility and prevent stiffness, while occasional warm baths with mineral-rich salts relax the muscles and promote circulation. Cold compresses can be used for temporary relief when pain spikes. Over time, this consistent routine gradually strengthens the joint, making everyday movement easier and less painful. As I said it many times before, you cannot expect in very short period of time with any kind of natural remedies to get better, especially if you have any kind of chronic inflammation. But gradually, over the months, if you take good quality supplements, you take regular exercise, you pay attention to your diet, you will see improvement. And as I said it many times before, you must take only unbelievably good quality supplements. Like 90% of them on the market is totally garbage, but maybe 1% is unbelievably good. That's why you really need someone to guide you through your recovery. That's why you need a professional healthcare professional that can help you with those kind of problems. Especially you need to find someone who understands nutrition, natural remedy, and special physical therapy and rehabilitation. And you get special kind of problems for your joint discomfort. I believe this person can help you a lot. What to expect? During the first 2 weeks, most people notice less stiffness in the morning and gradual reduction in discomfort. After about a month, pain during movement begins to decrease noticeably. By second month, joint becomes more flexible and overall pain is significantly reduced. The key to success lies in consistency and patience. Joint repair is a gradual process, and those who persist with this routine are often pleasantly surprised by how much their mobility improves and how much discomfort diminishes. Nutrition plays an important role in this joint health, and this is my recommendation especially for you women, especially for the woman after 50 years and older. You are unbelievably high danger because after menopause, your hormonal levels, especially estrogen and progesterone, moves down, and you have a lot more problems with your joint discomfort, and please take this into consideration. Bone broth provides natural collagen that supports joint. Fatty fish help reduce inflammation through the omega-3 fatty acid. Leafy greens strengthens the bone, while berries supports antioxidants that protect cartilage. Ginger is an excellent choice for managing inflammation because it's absorbed more easily than turmeric and produce faster effect, including those foods in your diet, and has the beneficial of natural supplements and provide the building blocks for healthier and more resilient joints. And if you take all this into consideration and try practicing something called intermittent fasting, you will get better. Before, maybe like 2 years ago, I was published my first book that is called Intermittent Fasting: Secrets for Health and Longevity. And in this book is everything explained how intermittent fasting can help you with your sick joints. And that's why with all my patients, I recommended intermittent fasting. Use good quality supplements and other my recommendation, and you will be better. Avoiding common mistakes. The biggest mistake people make is expecting overnight miracles. Recovery of joint function takes weeks or even months. Many give up too soon or continuously switch to new miracle products. Hoping for immediate results. Real improvements requires consistent effort, daily care, and willingness to allow the body time to repair itself. By sticking to proven routine and combining with joint supporting nutrition, it is possible to experience noticeable reduction in pain, improve mobility, and better quality of life. Stop relying on turmeric alone. While it can be a helpful ally if taken in highly absorbable forms, it is not sufficient on its own to reverse arthritis. Focus on combining glucosamine, boswellia, and type 2 collagen in a consistent daily protocol. Track your progress in terms of pain and joint mobility, and be patient. This approach helped thousands of my patients regain movement, reduce pain, and live without the limitation caused by arthritis. And this is my recommendation for today's video. There is hundreds of natural remedies that can help you. Turmeric is not alone is not enough. You must take all this stuff into consideration and can help yourself. If you want to learn a lot more information on the best nutrient in the world that can help you a lot with your knee problems, watch my video right here. God bless you. God bless your family. See you in the next video.